Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Ares Road in Fish It Roblox. So the Ares Road isn't just a tool, it's a weapon of the extraction for the rarest fish. And in here, I'm going to show you the hidden area locations to get this road. So if you're new to Fish It, the Ares Road will be helpful for you to get some rare and also epic fish in Fish It. So first you just need to go to the tropical groove in here. And once you're on the tropical groove, you can just go right to where the waterfall is. Just go inside the waterfall in here. Okay, so this is the inside of the waterfall. Now you can just walk through this until you see like this little entrance in here, and this is where you'll find the Ares Road. So you can buy the Ares Road for 3 million coins, and when you do that, you'll get the road easily. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.